close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my video, please do not forget to subscribe, and if you have been watching, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. So I just got a package. This is a baby walker. I got it from eBay, so I'm gonna show you how it is and how it looks like. The menu. I think the battery is not included. I don't know if the battery is a battery. I don't think there is battery in this. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna check later. This is detachable. When your kid is grown up, you can simply use this place to eat. Okay. Under this place, I think I have to take my camera closer. You can see we have to screw this place. The both sides need to be screwed. Okay, I got some batteries and things are we needed. Guys, sorry I made a mistake. You don't have to screw this plate. You just have to roll it like this to lock it. And see, just roll it and it's locked. You don't need a screw to screw it up. So you don't need a screw to screw it up. You just have to roll it like this, clip, and like that, and everything is done. Let's see if it's working, because I just put some batteries not working. Well, let's finish fixing it then. You know. The hook right here, so you can pull them down like this. Alright, I just pulled the hook. There's 4 hook at the back. You have to put the 4 hook and the 4 hooks. Same with this place, it has 3 hooks, and I think everything is working fine. Where you have your switch off and on. Here we have the tires and other stuff to put together. We have 4 tires. This, these and this. 4 tires. The white tires goes to the back, and this pink tires comes to the front. Okay. It's really confusing. I'm trying to go through the papers, but it's really difficult. I don't know this way. Oh my god. This is so easy to fix, guys. Like, I haven't struggling yet. So we have this also, and we put this inside here with these 2 clips at the back. And we have this also for the back. You can see the clip at the back. You make sure it goes inside. I think you have to do this with force, a little bit force. As you can see, like this. I'm pretty done. I think I just have a little bit left to do, which is this one. I have to look for where to place this items. I don't know. Okay, I think I found it. Like, these are not really useful for now. They're only useful maybe you don't want the child to roll, you just want the thing to stay still. That is when it's useful, but for now it's really not useful. Because I think you want the child to move around. You don't want the child to sit on it without moving around. Like, this is what I mean by it. We don't need it. So I'm going to take this off. I don't need this. Alright. It's pretty cool. Like, a little bit difficult.